Hey Natalie.
Hey.
What are we doing in here?
We are making some creamy mashed potatoes. We're getting the goat cheese spread out, some cranberries drizzled on top.
We're making the most of it, it's not to say that
Those are pigs in a blanket, and then I'm gonna roast some potatoes.
Yeah, you hear that? Pigs in a blanket.
You've gone dumb, but
Queen.
Oh, it's a good one.
Perfect. Cool. So this is my Christmas present, come a little bit late. And it is Paddy Box from Ireland. So I'm assuming it's from my mum because it says your mummy always told you sharing is caring. Although I'll be honest, the only thing I'm going to be sharing is these because I have so much stuff in here. Crunchies, best chocolate, curly whirlies, and custard creams, and dairy milk bars. Don't really like these, so people can have these, so we are going to share those. Freddo bars, flakes, dairy milk. I actually need chocolate while I'm here. I don't know what these are. Toffee pops. They're kind of cool. But yeah, Paddy Box from Ireland. There you go. Cool. So I'm gonna put this stuff back in, and then you guys can see what you like of the crisps. Because I'm chocolate themed. Best crisps you ever eat. I put them with the thing, so just like try them and then tell me what you think. And then this mint thing as well. It's like chocolate mint.
what's this one? Cheese and onion.
So you got cheese and onion. That's the original flavour that they made.
Amazing.
Now, better or worse than Walker's is the question.
I need the Walker's crisps as well.
No, you don't. You can imagine.
They're my favorite. Vinegar.
Yeah,
Salt
salt and
and
vinegar,
Okay.
and then smoky bacon, and then I think these ones are cheese and onion. Yeah.
Well, I like the salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
Right?
Let's go with this big boy.
Smoky bacon is really good too.
And you got to do the sniff test.
The sniff test.
Right?
That's the one.
And then you got to try like one of these. They're like chocolate, and they've got like a minty cream thing in them.
And these are all Irish?
Yes. Well, the crisps 100% are. I don't know if these Irish per se, but my nan always used to have them in her like biscuit thing.
They're really good.
Sweet. Posy vibes. Posy.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah, this is good.
So this is like Irish crisps.
No
if
way.
you've ever had like potatoes. So try them and then see if they compare to Canadian crisps.
But have you had good one? Probably not.
Is Tato a really popular brand?
So the
one's
cheese
really
and
good.
cheese and onion one is like their original flavour that they used to make.
Okay. Yeah, that's like
We go to any Irish pub and you ask for crisps, that's what you get.
Yeah, so like you
This one, the smoky bacon.
Yeah.
for like hours.
And this is a certified chef, so we're getting like the full. Oh, it's got a touch of this on that.
Smoky. That one's pretty good. This is my favorite so far, the cheese and onion.
Yeah.
Salt and
vinegar.
vinegar, classic.
Put the juice of the actual meat where you cook them. And then you just dip them in the
And
They're
then
really good.
last thing to try is this.
What is this?
Now, I'm not 100% sure if they're Irish, but they were always in like my my nan's like
Oh, in the candy cupboard?
yeah.
Refried beans.
So it's like chocolate and mint.
Mint.
You're gonna try this next, Ben.
What is it?
It's a taste test.
Taste test. Okay.
Yeah,
These
good.
are good.
Yeah.
I really like them.
Yeah. Bring it here.
I can
Sweet.
eat the whole thing.
Oh, are they after it then?
These remind me of,
Almost.
we have something just like this. But these are really good.
What's
I
that?
think they were
Hello,
dark
Ben.
chocolate though.
Yeah.
Like the ones that we have here are dark
My
chocolate.
full name is Jack William.
So what we're
Ah.
trying?
These would be really good with
Well, you're gonna take Natalie's place, so then they don't have to move,
Okay.
and you're gonna try the crisps. No.
Good? How was your day?
So my supervisor
really good,
in
but-
Happy Valley, he also
Yeah?
had a CASI
So what we're doing?
So you're just trying the crisps and then comparing them to like Walkers, I guess. If you have Walkers in Scotland, I'm guessing.
Jonathan and Robert, and I was like, oh, you should not tell me that. It's like, now you're not Jack.
This is what you get in like Irish pubs.
Jonathan.
This is our equivalent
not
of
like
Walker's.
Walker's cheese and onion, but not
That's
bad.
weird. Like maybe
Right?
John.
And then this is like smoky bacon.
I don't think it's Steve John.
Oh.
So I'm trying to.
Exactly. Yeah. So he's like, my parents.
They're fucking good.
start calling
Yeah.
me Jack.
And then the last one you got salt and vinegar.
Just stick to Jack.
So I did get a lot of chocolate in the box, but and it does say I should share. So I'm sharing this, but the other chocolate. I got like flakes, caramel, Frodo bars.
They're pretty similar to what? They're pretty similar. To
Yeah,
Walker's.
these ones are.
And is this
And then
like
this?
an after eight mint?
Yeah. Oh wow, we're just going fucking the whole thing in. Nice. Yeah, just out of 10.
Must have quite a long name though. Like
The biscuit?
Yeah,
9.
9.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Oh well, there's 3 left, so let's see what happens.
7,
Yeah.
10.
yeah.
8.
Okay. I like it. I can deal with that.
They're fucking well.
Not the smoky flavors.
Tomo, welcome to Ireland's favourite crisps. So that's it. You go around like this.
Okay.
So that's the original flavour that they had, which was cheese and onion. So have a couple and then see what you think.
Wait, am I trying to guess which ones?
No,
are
no, no,
which?
no. Well, I was going to do that, and I just thought, no, just try it. Try it, rate it out of 10.
And then it's in process, so I have to wait.
Compare it to Walker's or whatnot.
I'll probably buy.
Yeah, they're better than Walker's.
Yeah, and then you got barbecue.
Mmm.
Oh, Tom, these ones are banging, mate.
Once I have a European passport.
Like barbecue.
Yeah, they're so good, aren't
Oh, baby. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh man.
And then there's the salt and vinegar.
That's what I want.
That makes impossible coming in clutch.
Throw me down and call me Sally. I'm a Tato man.
Okay, and then you got one more thing here.
Spanish one.
Ooh.
It's like a
Oh,
chocolate.
I've had a Viscount before.
Have
yeah.
you?
I didn't know they were Irish.
And then I'm not sure they are. They were just always in my nan's biscuit
Oh,
tin.
okay, yeah. Viscounts are sick, yeah.
they? Yeah, they're so good.
I mean, might not be. Let me get the crisp.
Yeah, just keep it. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, nice.
I am such
Yeah.
a good sweet tooth.
Oh,
That
Tom,
is-
taste test this as well. These are knockoff versions of digestives.
Okay.
Why didn't you just buy the real digestives from the
Because
market?
I got them from the market, because these were going to be for cheese and crackers.
Right.
But they're,
yeah.
they're really thin.
The thinness straight away is
It's off-putting, isn't
It's
it?
disappointing.
Yeah,
concerning.
it's concerning.
Where is it?
It's in, so it's Mexico City, and then it's like the.
Don't
Tastes
taste
like
it.
digestive,
Yeah, they do,
okay.
yeah.
Just 50%
Yeah,
fat
you
free.
just put two of them
But it's just like
together.
right next to it.
Matt, we're good then.
Well, yeah, it's like, you know, people are always taping stuff up and having braces on and all that, you know. But yeah, it's like, don't get injured.
Where are those two off to?
I think they said something along the lines of they never wanted to see you again. And
fantastic.
You know what? I was thinking exactly the same thing as you said that.
Are you kidding me? Great.
3, 5.5, 6.5 hours to go.
That's good.
See, Kids Centre get a lot of hours.
Yeah,
You
but
go.
is it worth
Pay
it?
is good.
What's going on?
I
This
love
is the
these.
most amount of hours I've had in ages.
I just felt bad when I do it
And
because
that's
I'm
not-
like,
You feel bad?
because if you're doing it, it's fine. You're not really here. You're just recording. So it's cool.
Bye.
Go, go, Power Rangers.
So you can have a try. Like, so go to any of the bowls. So there's like salt and vinegar.
What do I do?
Just try the crisps and see what you think. Are they good or bad?
They're good. This one's good.
So it's going to be pretty intense.
Influencer.
Yeah.
This one's better.
Yeah.
One, very valid. Two,
No, this is the original flavour.
this is like.
No, this I
And my Christmas present from my mum. Yeah.
Very good.
And
I like
then,
this one most.
yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Very
And then you've got a chocolate mint thing as well.
Should I try it?
Yeah.
We/Irex.
Taste test.
Taste test. And then you can rate them out of 10.
It's probably a kiwi as well.
Okay. This is good.
Yeah.
Lime 8 7.
Yeah, sweet. That's pretty much what everyone else has said so far.
Thanks,
Sweet.
Mom.
It tastes like what? Well, the flavours are there. Look, so that's salt and vinegar. Try it.
Oh yeah, I had smoky bacon.
Oh,
Yum.
that's okay though. There's no meat in it, I'm sure.
Wait, why are we recording? Who's it for?
This is Christmas present for my mum, or part of it.
Oh, okay.
And it's also
That's
just
good context. That's
just
really
content, isn't it?
good. Okay.
So just
In it.
try each bowl and then rate it out of 10, and then try the green biscuit thing.
Oh, I just had a green biscuit. Exquisite. I love mint and chocolate.
Cool.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Did everyone have to do this?
Yes.
Okay, great.
You group.
What's this one? Oh no. Cheese and onion quite mild.
Yeah.
And then
Everybody's favourite meat.
smoky bacon's pretty good. It
Okay.
does taste like smoky bacon.
So rate the bowls out of 10, which one?
Salt and vinegar, 8,
It's a place.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
I just don't know why it's not
Eight.
huge.
And then
Okay.
these are a 10. I fucking love. I mean,
No,
apologies for the swearing here.
That's okay. That's all good.
I fucking love it.
Fucking love it.
Chocolate.
Fucking love it.
Fucking mince.
No.
It's your turn again. Yeah.
Oh, I see you bought a guitar, Taylor.
3.
Talking about enjoying it.
If anyone's artsy
what
and
I
wants to draw on it
I
by the end
wanna
of the
create
season,
mine.
go for it.
Oh shit,
I was in
okay.
Australia and New Zealand. I left it behind. It was great because I had like drawings and sketches or carvings from like people.
They just look so fake.
Generic stickers and shit.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh,
It
he's
tastes
done
pretty
it.
fake.
He's done it.
Can I borrow your spiky ball?
Yeah, of course.
I had to. I was like, wait, what are you doing with it?
I'm not gonna tell. Can I just use
What,
it
you have
without
to
going
For the loser.
Nothing.
I want to see it again, of course.
Right.
Can I use it on my feet or is that bad? I feel like I've been, I don't know.